A comprehensive winter blackout power outage survival kit. As prudent planners, creating a winter blackout kit is paramount to ensure not just survival, but also your comfort. So let's take a look at the essential elements of a comprehensive winter blackout survival kit. A propane heater with extra bottles. A portable propane heater is a valuable ally against cold. Be sure you have an adequate supply of propane bottles to keep you warm. And always ventilate the room when using any heating device. A solar generator or a dual fuel propane and gas generator. You can enjoy sustainable energy with a solar generator and also a dual fuel propane and gas generator. Utilize the power of the sun to keep essential devices charged, providing a reliable energy source during prolonged blackouts. A heat blanket. A heat blanket is a great addition, offering warmth without relying on traditional power sources. It is perfect for a good night's sleep on cold nights. A propane stove with extra bottles. You can cook hot meals and boil water with a portable propane stove. Be sure to stock up on extra propane bottles to ensure you have a continuous cooking ability. Sleeping bags and wool blankets. Insulate against the cold with high-quality sleeping bags and wool blankets. Layering them is the key to retaining body heat in freezing temperatures. Extra clothing, wool socks, and hats. Dress in layers with extra clothing. Put on wool socks and hats to preserve body heat. Maintain your body's core temperature to combat the cold effectively. Long underwear. Long underwear acts as a thermal barrier, keeping you warm beneath your regular clothing. It is an invaluable addition during extended blackouts. A hot water bottle. Fill a hot water bottle with warm water and place it in your sleeping bag or under your blankets. This timeless method provides localized warmth for an extended period. Lighting solutions like lanterns, flashlights, and headlamps. You can illuminate the darkness with a variety of lighting options. Lanterns provide ambient light, flashlights offer focused beams, and headlamps free up your hands for other tasks. Be sure you stock extra batteries and consider solar-powered lights. Food and water supplies. Non-perishable food items and a sufficient water supply are non-negotiable. Prioritize nutrition and hydration in your emergency blackout kit. A manual can opener. Ensure access to canned goods with a manual can opener. This often overlooked tool will be indispensable during power outages, so get an extra just in case. A small camping tent. Set up a compact camping tent within your shelter or home. Tents can provide an additional layer of insulation, creating a micro-environment for increased warmth. A solar cooker. Utilize solar power to cook meals with a solar cooker. It is a sustainable alternative for preparing hot food without electricity. Assembling your winter emergency blackout kit requires thought and consideration. Tailor it to your specific needs and climate, ensuring you are well prepared for the challenges winter may bring. By investing in a comprehensive kit, you can change uncertainty into self-reliance, giving you a sense of security for yourself and your loved ones. Stay warm and stay prepared.